In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Freezing 2026 full guide. If your prompt bar stalls, buttons, stop responding, or the page locks up mid-conversation, follow along. We'll begin with quick, low-risk fixes and move into targeted checks that address the most common causes. Start by forcing a local session reload. Perform a hard refresh to make the browser discard any stuck interface script and pull in a clean copy from the server. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. You won't lose your account or your open tabs. This simply resets the cached user interface so it can re-render cleanly. Next, rule out script blocking extensions. Open an incognito or private window with Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. Then try a quick prompt. If everything feels smooth in that window, an extension in your normal profile is interfering with the app's real-time communication scripts. Return to your regular window and whitelist chatgpt.com in your ad blocker or privacy tools so the site's event streams and WebSocket connections aren't interrupted. If freezes persist, clear targeted site data without wiping your whole browser history. Click the lock icon next to the address bar, open Cookies and Site Data, then Manage On-Device Site Data. Remove entries for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. This performs a surgical reset of local tokens and session caches that can get corrupted over time, especially if your sidebar history or session syncing has been failing. Reload the page after you clear those entries. Now make sure your browser can render the modern interface efficiently. First, update it to the latest version by going to Help, then About for your browser. Newer rendering engines handle heavy AI content more reliably. Then search your browser settings for hardware acceleration and ensure it's turned on so your graphics card shares the rendering workload. Most browsers will prompt you to relaunch after changing this setting. Do that to apply it. Finally, check global system availability if the interface freezes across multiple browsers. Visit status.openai.com to verify live service health. At the time of recording in May 2026, systems are fully operational, so persistent freezing under green status usually points to a local network handshake problem or a heavy browser profile with conflicting scripts. That's it. Keep your extensions friendly to chatgpt.com. Clear targeted site data when behavior gets weird, update your browser, and let hardware acceleration do its job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you